there's people don't understand how the drainage works into the Mississippi, and so that's kind of, it's interesting to keep the gardens going there, to see how it's going to or not going to affect the neighborhood. But it's odd here on Grady. People say, "Oh yeah, you live over on Grady, you know." But that's not what it's about. It's about the environment safe and happy.
No, they liable to go.
How long have you and your wife lived here?
7 years.
There's a big drain just to your left down there, and that's overflowed many times.
Oh, really? Does it overflow on a pretty regular basis with a
No,
typical
no,
rain?
but the heavy rains, it does